Hey everyone, Jay Stucia from JTA Innovations here. First off, I'd like to say thank you to all of you for a successful 2022 year once again. I had a great time communicating with everyone, whether that be face-to-face in person at an event, over email, or on social media. And of course, I really got some enjoyment out of seeing you post about our products on social media and having fun with them. Receiving your feedback to us on social media, over email, or in person is all extremely important, and it helps us continue to grow as a brand. And that's exactly what this announcement is for today. If it wasn't for you and the feedback that you've given us, this announcement definitely wouldn't have happened, wouldn't have come to fruition, and wouldn't have helped us grow as a brand to better provide you with high quality products, fun products for everyone in the hobby. So just a giant thank you to everyone, to our customers, to our supporters, to our good friends. We'd like to wish everyone a fantastic 2023. We look forward to meeting several new people on social media, in person at events, and look forward to all of our communications. And of course, we're really excited to continue to bring you fantastic products, fantastic upgrades, awesome announcements, and it's going to be a great year for JTA and I believe the hobby as a whole. So we're really looking forward to it. So without further ado, I would like to give you an overview of the announcement that we are about to make today. Ever since JTA Innovations was founded, the goal is to provide products for all skill levels, all experience levels, just everyone in the hobby that gets an enjoyment out of model aviation. I believe this announcement today is going to take that to the next level. I believe it is going to make our products available to a wider range of skilled pilots, a wider range of experienced pilots, and really open up the spectrum for everyone in the hobby, for beginners. And of course, I want to stress that it's even going to help the extremely experienced and extremely skilled pilots as well. Our announcement today involves the assembly process of the JTA Innovations airframes. Currently, we offer our airframes in a kit form, which comes with the EPP foamy itself, high quality hardware, high quality carbon fiber for the linkages, landing gear, motor mount, control horns, servo arms, you name it. The announcement today will take that assembly process to the next level and greatly simplify it. Our airframes, the entire lineup, will now be available in 4 forms. The first is what we are introducing as the quick assembly option. The quick assembly option will be the shippable way to get a JTA Innovations airframe fully constructed with all carbon fiber pre-installed. We're talking flat carbon fiber trussing, and there will be very, very limited work needed to get the airframe in the air. I believe that even the beginner skill level will be able to get this thing in the air in an hour or less. We will break down the quick assembly form. We will do a bit of an unboxing. We'll go over the items, go over the parts, and the presentation of what the airframe will look like in the quick assembly form. As I stated, that will be the shippable option, shipping to all of the United States currently, and we believe it's going to be a very, very popular option for all skill levels, all experience levels, as we stated earlier in this video. Secondly, we are introducing airframe fully constructed and fully assembled. So very, very low workload for the customer on that. Starting out, be available only for local pickup, as shipping for that would be a bit of a trick to keep the cost down, but we never know what the future will hold. We are starting off with local pickup. How local pickup will work is you will obviously enter all of your information upon the order process, and I will communicate with you one-on-one regarding pickup and pickup details. The third option of assembly will be plug and play. So the airplane will be pretty much ready to go. All you will need to do is get it into your radio, get it set up, and go fly it. The receiver, obviously right now we are not selling receivers, so the receiver will be the only thing additional that will be needed. Plug and play version is currently available for local pickup only, and the order process will be the same as that. So for all other people around the United States, the quick assembly version is definitely what's recommended. And as I stated, an hour or less and you'll be in the air. The fourth and final option for assembly will be what we are currently offering right now and what we have offered since JTA Innovations opened up, and that will be the kit-only form. Shippable across all United States. The 2 out of the 4 options will be shippable as of now currently, subject to change, and those 2 shippable options will be quick assembly overviewing, which will be fully constructed with carbon fiber, a few pieces only that you'll need to glue in, and hour or less you'll be up in the air, and all the construction work will be done by myself. And then kit only will be shippable as well. Here I have the box that the quick assembly option will be arriving in. Now I will be pulling parts out of the box, giving you an overview of how everything is constructed. First off, we have the wing construction. As you can see, 100% of the carbon fiber is pre-installed, from the flat carbon fiber all the way up to the trussing that will be going into the fuselage, as well as half of the mid-wing side force generators that help support the trussing as well. Next, we have the main part of the fuselage. 100% of the carbon trussing is pre-installed. The linkage is pre-installed with the linkage guides, servo arm extension. The easy connector is hooked onto that servo arm extension. The control horn is installed. Flat carbon fiber in the horizontal stab and elevator are installed. We have the top piece of the fuselage with the linkage also installed with the linkage guides, servo arm extension, and control horn. We have the landing gear, which is pre-assembled with the wheel pants and the wheels. Finally, for the ailerons, the linkages are pre-made, hooked into the control horn, as well as connected to the servo arm extension with the easy connectors on them. Now that we have most of the pieces out of the box, I will do a quick dry fit to show you these pieces put together. The wing just simply clicks into place, and these trusses are pre-length when they were installed into the wing, so you simply glue them into the fuselage and you don't have to worry about getting the lengths correct. The landing gear will then slide into the pre-marked holes and glued into the wing. So here's a basic dry fit of the bottom construction of the airplane. Since I don't actually have the landing gear glued on right now, I'm going to pull these off, flip the airplane around, and for the top part of the fuselage, it's as simple as taking a look at the pre-cut notches and gluing that on as well. For the remaining items in the box, I'm going to show you some of the hardware as well as some of the optional items. For the remaining hardware, you have the motor mount and the optional landing gear reinforcement plates. The rest, as you can see, are already cut out and installed onto the airplane. You have the optional landing gear covers, optional top pieces of the side force generators that are used to support the wing trussing, optional wingtip side force generators, propeller bands, optional zip ties and Velcro strap for electronics or whatever you wish, and some spare carbon fiber for any extra reinforcements that you wish to make or any repairs. Here we have an example of a plug-and-play JTA Innovations airframe. All servos and electronics are installed. Linkages are made up. Motor is installed, prop connected. This is one of my personal airframes. ESC mounted. Receiver is not included, so being one of my personal airframes, this is the only difference between this model and a plug-and-play version that you will receive from JTA Innovations. We cannot stress enough how excited we are to provide you with these new forms of assembly, which we hope will help further your interest in the hobby as a whole, in JTA Innovations, and bring you more enjoyment. So thank you for tuning into this video, tuning into this announcement. Feel free to contact us on the website, social media. So thank you very much, everyone, once again. We look forward to hearing your feedback some more, and we wish everyone a fantastic 2023.